Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video we're going to show you how to export a SSL certificate, and in the video after this we'll show you how to import it. Now it's fairly straightforward. If you click on servers in the Exchange Admin Center, I didn't log in or show you the login because I assume you already know how to do that. And then once you click servers and click certificates, you'll then be able to select a server that you want to work with. Now you'll see that server A, I've got an SSL certificate here that's got all these services assigned. If I go to server B, you'll notice I don't have anything, and the default Exchange certificate has all these services assigned. So the first thing we do is we go here, we click on our certificate, you click the three dots, and you click export. Now what this is going to do is going to basically create a PFX file, and I generally like to just use localhost $, we'll call this my cert2.pfx. Now we're going to want to copy this because when we do the import just now we're going to need to use this again. There, we give it a password. Let's try that again. And then I click OK. So now what it's done is basically exported the certificate. So if I go to Windows now, sorry, my mouse is a little bit slow today. You'll see that my cert2 is there, and that's the one that we just basically exported. You can also export the certificate from IIS, but I'm not going to show you that today. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to export a certificate. Join me in the next video where we actually import the certificate onto our next server. Thank you very much for watching.